Okay, hey guys, I'll be teaching you how to make a paper airplane that flies pretty well. So first, you're gonna fold the paper in half this way. This way. Then you're gonna want to press on the sides. Then open it back up. Then you take one corner and you match up the whole line. You match up the whole line to where the fold line is. Then you do the same thing for the other. After you've got that, you're gonna wanna fold again, but so that this side of the paper does the same thing, but you just overlap. You basically just overlap this part like that. Then you do again the same with the other. Then you should have something that looks like this. Then you're just gonna take it and basically just fold it in half. Then you're gonna press again just to make sure it's pressed good. Then you're gonna have something that looks like this. After you have this figure, you're gonna wanna fold it so that the top of the wing, which is this, will be separately aligned with this part. So just fold it down like that. You do the same for the other. Then you should have a plane that looks quite like that, and a plane that flies really well.